Hello and welcome. My name is Nyesiga Neighbor, but you can call me Neighbor UG256. If you've been uploading videos on YouTube and you're wondering how to turn your channel into a source of real income, then this video is exactly for you. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply for YouTube monetization and successfully join the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP. I'll be showing everything using a live screen recording, so make sure you watch until the end, because missing even one small step can delay or completely stop your approval. Let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about what YouTube monetization actually means. YouTube monetization allows you to earn money from your videos through ads, YouTube Premium revenue, and fan-funded features like Super Thanks, Super Chats, and channel memberships. But before you can earn from any of these features, your channel must be approved into the YouTube Partner Program. Now, let's look at the requirements you must meet before applying. To be eligible for monetization, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers. In addition to that, you must meet one of these two conditions. The first option is having 4,000 public watch hours within the last 12 months. The second option is having 10 million public shorts views within the last 90 days. Your channel must also follow all YouTube monetization policies, have two-step verification enabled, and must not have any active community guideline strikes. Once your channel meets these requirements, the monetization option will automatically appear inside YouTube Studio. Now let's start the actual application process. First, go to YouTube Studio. On the left-hand side menu, click on Monetization. If your channel is eligible, you'll see a message that says you're eligible to apply for monetization. Click on Apply Now to continue. The first step in the application process is reviewing and accepting the YouTube Partner Program terms. Take a moment to carefully read through the terms and conditions. Once you finish reading, scroll down and click Accept Terms. After accepting the terms, you'll see a green check mark confirming that this step has been completed successfully. The next step is connecting your Google AdSense account. This is very important because AdSense is where YouTube sends your earnings. If you already have an AdSense account, choose the option that says use an existing account, then sign in and link it to your YouTube channel. If you do not have an AdSense account, click on Create a New Account. Fill in your details carefully and make sure your name and address are correct, because this information will be used for payments and verification later. Once you submit your AdSense application, YouTube will review and link it to your channel. After this step is completed, you'll see another green check mark. Now your channel enters a review stage. This is where YouTube manually reviews your channel to make sure your content follows monetization policies. During the review, YouTube checks if your videos are original, if you add your own voice or commentary, and if your content is not reused or copied from other creators. This review process usually takes a few days to a few weeks, depending on the volume of applications. While waiting, avoid deleting videos or uploading copyrighted or reused content, because that can affect your approval. Once your channel is approved, you will receive an email from YouTube confirming that you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. After approval, you can turn on ads for your videos, choose the types of ads you want to display, and start earning money from your content. Keep in mind that earnings are not instant, but as your views grow, your revenue will also increase over time. If your application is rejected, don't panic. Some of the most common reasons for rejection include reused content, lack of original commentary, or copyright issues. YouTube will explain the reason for rejection, and you'll be allowed to reapply after 30 days once you fix the issues on your channel. And that's exactly how to apply for YouTube monetization and successfully join the YouTube Partner Program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next